call that busy work. So in 2021, we want to try to avoid busy work. Alright, there you go. Alright. Hey guys, and what's up TFS? It's your girl Funsize, and I'm back with another fun creation. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 tips or tricks that you can do to help keep yourself productive and stay on task in 2021. So, in the video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys some things that I pretty much do throughout the day to help me stay on track, and it pretty much gets me ready and active for how I want to present myself for my business and the rest of the day. Also, disclaimer, if you hear my alarm going off, that little beeping noise you guys hear, I've already explained that in other videos, but to sum it all up, I'm 4'9", it's all the way up there, we're still waiting for maintenance. Let's move on, just bear with me. So, what you came here for? 3 tips and tricks that you can do to help stay active in 2021. So, one of the things that I wanted to start off with, my number one, although it's kind of like number 3 for you guys, is I want you to definitely make a to-do list. I make a to-do list often. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the pages and whatnot, but kind of like a little bit of harsh lighting. There you go. I definitely make a to-do list. I actually have a notebook where I make my to-do list and I literally go through it. It literally says make it happen on the front as motivation. So as your number 3 tip to take away, although that kind of looks like 6, number 3 tip to take from this is to make a to-do list and stay on top of your to-do list. So number 2, when I say stay on top of your to-do list, I want you to prioritize your to-do list. And what I mean by prioritizing it is, I want you to go through it and actually figure out what is more important than the other. Yes, you have a to-do list, but you also kind of have to figure out and distinguish between what's more important. Like, yes, I need to go to the market, but I also know I need to make that new video that I was supposed to drop last week. I wanted to call that busy work. So in 2021, we want to try to avoid busy work. And we want to actually prioritize and figure out which task is more important and actually get the job done instead of just writing it on a piece of paper and letting that be that. And for our last takeaway, for number 1, last but not least, I want you guys to give yourself a timestamp as to when you want to finish and complete each task that is exactly on your to-do list. So for example, I have this video on my to-do list. So I actually transformed my to-do list over here for you guys. So hopefully you can see. And it's just a little bit easier because sometimes it can get kind of hard to stay on track with your to-do list when you actually don't see it in front of you. It's just on like a piece of paper that you wrote down. And it's just like a grocery list. You make the list, you go to the market, and then you remember you forgot it. So putting it on a board actually helped me put more things into perspective, I guess I want to say. So I actually have an actual vision board. Oh, speaking of that, I'm going to be releasing a video about my vision board for you guys in a later video. But not this video, but I definitely wanted to shout that announcement out for you guys. So stay tuned because I've been working hard on it and I'm super excited to release it for you guys. But our final takeaway, back where we was, is to definitely give yourself a timestamp as to when you want to complete each project, because as the day progresses, you don't want to actually be sitting there and then you're like, damn, I forgot to do X, Y, and Z, but I managed to do 1, 2, and 3, or A, B, and C, or however. You get what I'm trying to say, sis. Those are your 3 takeaways on how to stay active and productive in 2021. 1, make a to-do list. 2, prioritize that to-do list. 3, give each project a timestamp so you know when you are to complete each project or each task on your to-do list. Hopefully that helps somebody, and hopefully, you learned something from this video. But I'm not going to talk your heads off. Again, the alarm is driving me crazy, so I'm going to wrap this video up later for now, guys. And as I end every video, remember, Learn to love yourself before trying to love someone else.